Igor Benashuk.
I'm Nick Sugarman, HCC quiz number 3.
For question number 1, our answer is some biases an AI system might have include the system prioritizing answers to specific questions over others, and this might give an unfair advantage to certain candidates who answered to the system's preferences. AI also may prioritize work experience over education or vice versa, even if the more experienced candidate or candidate with a degree better fitting the position would be better for the job. Lastly, previously hired candidates who reapply could be prioritized just because the AI has approved them before, even if it's possible they are no longer a good fit for the company.
For number 2, the little coffee kiosk one, a direct pointing solution would involve a touchscreen where once you just poked the item you wanted, maybe a bar appeared on the side of the screen showing what items you've selected and an option to check out. This solution would keep all the data on one screen, but it might become cluttered depending on how many items you ordered, how many items were available, etc. An indirect pointing solution to the problem would be to have two screens, maybe one on top of the other. The bottom screen would be the touch screen menu, where you poked and chose your selection, and the top screen displays the items ordered and how much they cost. This would keep the menu screen from getting too cluttered, but it might be annoying having to switch your attention from one screen to the other.
And then for question number 3, here's our picture.
There we go.
Level 1 is similar because set B and set C are the same color because they have the same root. And A is a different color because it is a different root, which makes them visually distinct. We know what level 2 values correspond with which level 1 values because the level 2 values are closest to the level 1 values they correlate with.
Yep. And for the last one, we chose situations where a blind person may require visual assistance. 3 cases where a blind person may require visual assistance are when they need to navigate a visual-heavy website, when they're trying to order something off of a menu at a restaurant, and when they're buying clothing and they need to see what it looks like, or know what it looks like, I suppose.
And that's the end of our quiz.